Hello everyone, in this video we will go through how to set up a production ready website with auto scaling group, application load balancer and SSL certificate integration. And in this video we will see which services we have to use. Like for database, common database we use Route 53 service, and for DNS we use GoDaddy, and we can also use Route 53 service of AWS. But my domain is I purchased a domain from GoDaddy, so I am using GoDaddy services. So now we can first of all we can see here that our one instance is running, and in target group we can see that there is only one instance. Okay. I am just telling overall flow. Like first of all, request will comes to application load balancer. Application load balancer will send this request to target groups. Target groups and request to its register targets, which is you can see here, and that's how overall flow works. So now I am telling. So in ECM, this is ECM service. So here you have to request a public certificate SSL TLS, create on next, write your subdomain domain, then you have to create a request. By creating request you will get CNAME and C value. This value you have to add like this, by which if AWS will click on apply dig, and then it will get this kind of value in answer section. So in your answer question, by which it will verify your DNS. You can also verify it via your email. So my DNS is already verified, so it shows issue success. Now if we are going to load balancer, so this is our load balancer. Before this we have to create target group, because in load balancer target group is mandatory, but in target group it is not necessary. So this is our target group. Here we have to choose instances or application load balancer, but in application load balancer we have only option of TCS, but in instances there are too many options of protocol: HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, TLS, UDP, TCP, UDP, and etc. Application load balancer of only TCP. So we choose instances, then we can here specify on which endpoint we can check that particular our site is running properly or not, by which it shows healthy, our endpoint is healthy or not. So currently it shows unhealthy in our instances, because we don't specify any endpoint. So via this you can so here there are total 3 running instances. So we can choose here and create and target group. So we already created it, so leave it. So in create load balancer, go application load balancer, specify your domain or subdomain, by which you can understand for which subdomain or domain you created this application load balancer. Select all available zones for high availability, create security group. So in listener, choose HTTPS for in which we can use our SEM certificate. So this is from ACM certificate, you choose intio.innox.club, because we already generated it. You can also use this certificate in another cloud providers, but it's chargeable for other cloud provider. But if you use AWS services, then it is free. So you can also add web application file and other global accelerator and other things, by which you can prevent latency. So currently there are total 3 instances running, because there is too much load. It is in alarm state. So that's how that is how you can see here that these instances in alarm state. So it is in alarm right now. So if we see here, so it is currently initializing. So in our target group you can see all three instances, and this is our site. So this is our site. We can add another. We can okay, choose this. So that's how we can create our user and etc. Uh, so for now, uh, that's it. We can also delete this. So here continuously our stress is running, like stress CPU timeout 250, because it is for testing like that our auto scaling group is working properly or not. Okay.